Your logical mind is trying to tell you something and you're like, wait, but what if this will happen? What if I won't be able to survive? Hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. Without wasting any moment, let's dive into the video. I used to question all the time, if anything is happening with me, why it's happening with me, I'll always try to find some logic. And if you're one of them, your intuition is probably weak. So the first sign is you always try to find logic in everything. Another sign can be when you're always struggling to make that decision. Any decision in your life, or even maybe you have made some decision in the past, but it took you forever to come to that conclusion. Or you're always confused about your decisions, what you're going to do next. So if you're one of them, this means that your intuition is blocked or it's weak. If you're not spending time with yourself, that is another sign that your intuition is weak. Because we run on autopilot and we do things on a day-to-day basis without even taking a deep breath, right? We do that all the time. And just because of that, we don't really listen to our body. We don't really listen to our intuition. And that can lead you to make wrong decisions because now here you're always using your logical mind and you're not really tuning in with yourself, with your higher self, whatever you want to call. So this is one of the reasons that people feel that their intuition is blocked because they don't really spend time with themselves. If you're always thinking about others and you're seeking approval from other people, which means that's another sign that your intuition is weak. That means you are not able to make a decision. For example, you go for shopping and then you try some new outfits. And now here you're not able to decide if you really like this. And then you're asking maybe your friend, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or anyone who is with you, right? So we are always seeking these kind of approvals from other people. So which means that you're not really tuning into yourself. And there's another reason that you're seeking approval from other people. And that can also come from a lack of self-acceptance. You can also check my video on self-acceptance. I'll leave a card here on this video. Next sign that your intuition is blocked is that you are feeling disconnected from yourself, from others, and your environment. You're not connected with yourself, with the nature. And when you're not connected with yourself, you know what happens. You are not able to listen to your intuition. You are always using your logical mind. You're always thinking about the logic. You're always thinking about what is right for me. How can I benefit from this? You're always seeing things from your current reality. Before we talk about the solution, if you're enjoying this video, press that like button to spread this information on this platform. Now we are going to use all the things that we were not using before. So totally the opposite that we are doing right now. So the first one is spend time with yourself. Connect with your body. Connect with your soul. Do things that make you feel grounded and in the present. I would encourage you to try some kind of meditation or prayers or mantras or breath work, anything that you think that will bring you in the present moment and also help you to connect with your body. Try more of that. Because when you connect with your body, connect with yourself, the fogginess that you have in your head, it'll go away. And you will start seeing clearly, which means you're going to listen to your intuition more and more. If you want to learn more about meditation, I'm going to leave a card here in this video. Please check that out. Next thing that you can do that will improve your intuition is to look into your chakras. Heal your chakras, especially your sixth chakra, which is the third eye chakra. Because third eye chakra is responsible for the visualization, your dreaming, and also your intuition. So if you think your intuition is weak or blocked, which means your third eye chakra needs some love. There are a lot of different exercises that you can do to heal your third eye chakra. You can use visualization, you can meditate, or you can use these simple techniques that I'm going to share right now. So watch this. You can just move your eyes from right to left and up and down. And there's another technique that you can use that's called infinity technique. So if you know this infinity sign, and that's what we are going to do. So what you are going to do is you're going to focus on your finger here, and you're not going to move your head. So you're going to follow this finger just with your eyes. So you're not moving your head, but you are just using your eyes and you're following this finger. And repeat few cycles of these exercises every single day, maybe in the morning, in the night, whenever you have time. And this will help you to heal your third eye chakra and eventually your intuition as well. Next one is play with your intuition. Use that power of visualization when you start your day. See and visualize your day unfolding in front of your eyes. And then keep a journal or a notebook and write down all the familiar experiences that you witnessed that day. And after a week or two, see all the familiar experiences that happened, or even the things that didn't happen, that didn't go the way you visualized. This will also help you to see more of what is possible, and it will also help you to tune into your body and to your intuition. Just a reminder, let go of that control. Don't try to be too logical. Sometimes you need to listen to your body. You need to listen to your gut feeling. These kind of experiences are happening all the time. You need to let go of that logical mind and use your intuition. Listen to your gut feeling. Listen to your body. There are a lot of situations in the day when we feel or we get this new idea and we feel like, yes, I want to do this. I want to apply for this job. I want to go on a date with this person. But then your logical mind is trying to tell you something and you're like, wait, but what if this will happen? What if I won't be able to survive? Now your logical mind is creating so many scenarios in your head that are not even going to happen. So sometimes you need to kick that logical mind out and use your intuition and go with your heart. And the more you will do it, the better you'll get. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel, because this would help this video to reach a wider audience. Alright, that's a wrap. I will see you in my next video, sending you so much love and light.